out. The waves rolled high. Boys on the docks, fire in their eyes. Didn't ask for fortune, didn't ask why. When the king came calling, yes, bye, yes, bye, yes, bye. Through cobbled streets, through morning mist, mothers kiss sons with trembling lips. Fathers stood proud, though their hearts were torn, watching their boys in the uniforms. We were the first to stand, the first to fight. Through the darkest days, we held the light. For the ones who fell, for the ones who bled. Newfoundland sons, never forget. They sailed to lands they've never known, fought through trenches, mud and stone. Shoulder to shoulder, they held the line. Too many names left behind. The telegrams came one by one, a knock at the door, a father's lost son. Daughters stood silent, their eyes filled with rain, waiting for brothers who never came home. We were the first to stand, the first to fight. Through the darkest days, we held the light. For the ones who fell, for the ones who bled. Newfoundland sons, never forget. Back home the waves still kiss the shore, mothers still wait by the old front door. When the wind whispers through the pine, you can hear their voices, strong and kind. Yes, bye.